When accidents happen, it's important to know how to react and your rights. Here at News 8, we've partnered with personal injury attorney Brooke Goff from the Goff Law Group to bring you the law down. Attorney Goff, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so what constitutes a workman's compensation claim?
Sure. So when somebody's hurt in the scope of their employment, they have a workers' compensation claim. A lot of people think it is limited to happen at the actual site.
Sure.
It actually does not.
Okay.
People that travel for work or, take the car, go to customers' houses, et cetera, et cetera. Even if they get hurt outside of the actual workplace, they still have a workers' compensation
But still related to work. That's
correct.
To keep in mind.
So you have to be injured while performing your duties of work. That's
Got
correct.
it. All right, so what is the first step when you want to file a workman's comp claim? Because
Sure.
this could be a little tricky.
It is tricky, and a lot of people think it's tricky, and they don't do it right. So let's talk about it. Firstly, you have to report it to your employer. You must. I don't care if it's 30 minutes later or a day later, you have to report it.
Okay.
I don't want somebody coming into my office and saying, hey, look, it's been a month and I didn't report it to anybody, right? You want to make sure you report it, because if you don't, then the employer can turn around and say, look, this couldn't have happened at work, or they wouldn't have reported it 30 days later. They would have reported it at the time.
Got it.
So that's number one. Number two, get medical treatment if you need it. Don't wait, right? It doesn't make any sense. You want to make sure that, don't worry about the medical bills. It all works itself out with workers' compensation. You get hurt at work, you have workers' compensation for a reason.
Got it.
So get your medical treatment and file your forms.
Okay.
There's a Form 30C, okay? File it. It's got to be certified, delivered to your employer, and workers' compensation. You can find it on the website, the workers' compensation website. You have 1 year to file it. If you don't file it within 1 year, the employer can technically deny your claim.
So the best bet here is probably reach out to an attorney like yourself.
I tell people that the consultation is free, so what do you have to lose, right? If you're hurt at work, I can't think of the last case that I met with, or I should say the last client I met with, that they did not know about certain benefits that they were entitled to, and I made them money. My fee, I only get paid at the end of the case. It's 20%, which to most attorneys that do personal injury law is not a sexy number, right? Because they love the car accidents, which are, a third.
Sure.
We don't do workers' comp to make money. We do workers' comp in my office because not enough good attorneys do it.
Very good. And
so that's it.
You're not getting a paycheck unless it works out.
Correct.
For the client.
The client's going to get paid, right? So the client gets their benefits. They get their what's called temporary total benefits when they're out of work. They get paid their light duty benefits. I don't get any of that. So unless they get rated at the end of the case or we settle, my office doesn't get paid. There's no smoke and mirrors. There's no hidden anything. That is what it is. We only get paid if we get you a settlement or if you get rated.
Very good. So, attorney, run me through the process. Someone has an accident that is work-related. They call you. What is the first steps?
Sure.
You go through the claims, but the initial consultation.
Yes, so they come in my office and they meet with me, or we do Skype calls, or we do FaceTime Live, or we do everything pretty much. We offer whatever benefits that they need so that it makes it easier if they can't travel. And what we do is they'll call me, I sit them down. First I tell them to chill out, because I do.
They're in good hands, I guess, right?
And honestly, if you're scared, that shows you why you need a lawyer, right? But I just say, take a deep breath, it's going to be fine. Workers' compensation is here for this exact reason, right? You don't get pain and suffering in workers' compensation, but they offer you these other benefits. Your medical bills paid, your lost wages, and then these other benefits with paying you for your permanency if you get one. So I just say, take a step down. I show them the forms. I go through all of them. I basically give them an education in my office, and I say, now, because I want people to hire me because they know what they're getting into and they don't want to. I want them to make an educated decision, saying, look, I'm not hiring her because I'm uneducated about the situation, I'm scared. I'm hiring her because I know she's the best person for me to do this.
You're able to gain trust that way, right?
That's it. And unfortunately, a lot of attorneys that do what I do, they don't educate the public. I feel like part of our duties as attorneys, especially in this world today with technology, is to educate people. I want people to hire me because they want me, not because they need me.
Very good. Where can we find you?
Sure, you can, we have offices throughout the state, clearly. Walk-ins are always welcome, but you can find us online. Our website's www.gofflawgroup.net. You can call our office, 203-399-0000. We text, too. You can text that number, or you can find us on social media, Goff Law Group.
Very good. Attorney Goff, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Sure.